How to clear history in Netflix. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can clear your history in Netflix, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to clear your history on Netflix, all you have to do is, first of all, Netflix gives two types of watch history. One is the continue watching. The other is that they have your viewing history. To delete your continue watching, you can do so right from the app. Select the profile for which you might want to delete your continue watching series and then just log into that account. Once you're inside of that account, if you scroll down here, you'll find continue watching for this profile. And if you'd like to remove a specific show from continue watching, just tap the three dots option next to it, tap the remove from row option, and then continue watching will be successfully removed. Now once you've done this, let's say you want to get rid of all of your viewing history, open your browser instead, go to netflix.com and sign into your account. Then make sure to tap the three lines option from the top left hand side of the screen, then just go to this option known as account. Once you come to this account page, you're going to land on this page where you just need to scroll down to the specific profile of which you want to get rid of the history. Just select that profile, and then under it you'll find this option called viewing activity. Tap on the view button right next to viewing activity over here, and then you'll be able to see all these activities here. All you have to do is just tap the hide all button that you can find here, and just tap on yes, hide all my viewing activity in order to delete all your viewing activities from this profile. This way you can go ahead and then clear your Netflix history. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.